Welcome back to Product Critique. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what might just be the best dad shaving kit out there. The Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men. Whether you're shopping for your dad, husband, brother, or even yourself. This kit combines practical design, premium quality, and gift-worthy presentation. And we're about to break it all down for you in the next 5 minutes. Let's start with what you actually get in the box. Harry's kit includes a Truman-style razor handle, 15 razor blade refills, and a travel blade cover. Everything packed neatly and ready to deliver a smooth, consistent shave. This isn't just another shaving kit. It's thoughtfully engineered in Germany and reflects Harry's reputation for quality and performance. The razor handle itself is built with a sleek, ergonomic resin material. It's lightweight, easy to grip, and feels solid in the hand. The orange color adds a vibrant, modern twist. Something you wouldn't expect from a traditional shaving kit. Which makes it even more giftable. You can tell that even though it's practical, it's also designed to look good sitting on a bathroom counter. Now let's talk about the blade refills. 15 of them. Each one features a 5-blade design that's optimized to evenly distribute pressure while shaving. That means fewer nicks, a closer shave, and a lot more comfort, especially on rushed weekday mornings. There's also a precision trimmer blade built into the back. Perfect for getting into tricky areas like under the nose or shaping your sideburns. This feature alone makes the shave feel more custom and refined. One of the key features we have to mention is the flex hinge. This allows the blade to move with the natural curves of your face. So if you've ever felt like razors are fighting against your jawline, that won't be an issue here. Combine that with a lubricating strip that glides smoothly across the skin, and the result is a shave that feels gentle and leaves no irritation behind. Even for sensitive skin, the travel cover is another smart addition. It protects your blades while you're on the move, whether that's a business trip or a family vacation. It's one of those small touches that shows Harry's is thinking about real-life usage. Not just what looks good in an ad. Now if you're wondering how long this kit will last, here's some quick math. With 15 blade refills, assuming you switch out your blade once a week, you're looking at over 3 months of shaving without needing to restock. That makes the price tag feel a lot more reasonable, especially considering the quality of the components. This shaving kit is also incredibly giftable. The packaging is clean and masculine without being overdone, making it a great present for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, or as a just because kind of gift. And since it's more premium than a drugstore razor but still more affordable than luxury options, it hits that perfect middle ground. So, is this really the best dad shaving kit? For under $35, you're getting a premium razor handle, 15 high-quality blade refills, and a durable travel cover. All designed with thoughtful engineering and user experience in mind. It's not just a kit. It's an upgrade. Whether you're buying it for yourself or someone else, Harry's delivers where it matters. Performance, durability, and comfort. That wraps up our 5-minute review of Harry's Original Shaving Kit. If you enjoyed this critique, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on insights on the best personal care and lifestyle products. Thanks for watching, and